Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice problem, which is 3 divided by root 9 equals to 3. Sorry, into 3. So in this kind of a situation, you need to always remember that, see, BODMAS or PEMDAS, whatever you are following, both of these always give lot of importance to orders or exponents. This has to be done before you even begin with the operation of multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So here first we will do what? 3 divided by root of 9 is just 3 into 3. Here also a lot of people think that root 9 is supposed to be plus minus 3, because see, this only happens if you had a variable in place. X square was equal to 9. So when you take square roots on both sides, so you have x plus minus 9. Because the nature of the variable is what? It keeps changing its value. But if you are taking root of a positive number, if it was not equal to any variable, in that case the answer will always be just positive. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Now here a lot of people think that multiplication has to be done first, and a lot of people think that division has to be done first. No, that's not the case. Always division and multiplication hold equal precedence. So we'll do the first operation, which happens to come first from your left hand side. So here in this case we have division. So we will do 3 divided by 3, that gets you 1 into 3. So answer for this question is supposed to be 3. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.